very much for all your support, for all your lovely comments, and please remember to share the video so that we will get it out there in social media. So today, what are we doing? We're making Hakka goat. Yes. And what am I seasoning it with? Well, our favorite bandanya. And today I've also used garlic and parsley. We also use fresh garlic and fresh onions. So let us go. And before we go, let me show you. This is what my seasoned goat looks like. So follow me and let's have fun cooking together. Let's go.
So Hakka cuisine originally came from the borders of China and India. Hence, the influence of China with the crispy fried meat and vegetables, and the spices such as aniseed, fennel, ginger, cumin, such great influence of the East Indian cuisine. This combination makes a perfect harmony, and today I'm adding even more. I'm compounding it with Caribbean flavors. Let's go. So let's make our sauce, and we begin with ketchup. It's very important as major part of it, as we need that sweet element to our dish.
Use sesame seed, and normally they use soy sauce, but I personally don't do that. So we're going to use fish sauce instead. Let's go.
And this is just my version, of course. For those of you who have food sensitivities to soy products, fish sauce is a perfect alternative to it. It gives that saltiness that the soy would give, and you get that sweetness from our ketchup. So yin and yang. Here we go.
I did put between medium to high heat. That should be fine. We could test it. Yes, it is. Let's go. So we're putting our onions right now. And you will know when it is good because you're going to get that nice aroma coming out, and it's going to be a nice golden color. Using soy sauce. That's simply because of allergies that I have, but you can go ahead and use it. And the reason why we will substitute with our fish sauce is to get that salt and ketchup to get that sweetness in it. So it's a good alternate instead of soy sauce. Here we go. Now we want to brown it a little bit because the sugar in the ketchup, we want to sort of caramelize it. And remember that all those goodies from the seasoning from our meat, we want to incorporate that as well. This is going to continue our flavor as it fries into there. Smells so good, guys.
Now I'm going to let you into a secret. At the end of your cooking process, or coming to the end of it, add in your pimento peppers. If you want to know why, send me a thumbs up. I'll give you some advice.
And we are also going to use red hot peppers. Now we know for hot peppers, the seeds are what is the heat. So you know what, let's just not add too much of it, mainly the skin on the outside, and there we go. Let's just turn up and get that infusion of flavors here. So beautiful. Let's leave it to set a little bit. gonna take our goody meat, add it in, toss it, and that's all we need, because our spices are all incorporated in it. We have the element of sweet, the element of salty, and the element of hotness. Lovely. And let's see about plating it now. Come on.